Shellfish reefs were once widespread across Port Phillip Bay, and since settlement we've probably lost in excess of 95 to 98%. Over the last 5 years we've worked in partnership with OzFish and the recreational fishing community to help restore shellfish reefs. Some really simple measures that we've been taking as part of this project is to actually recycle the shellfish discarded through the restaurant industry. In the past that would have gone to landfill, and we're basically returning that to Port Phillip Bay to help form the foundation of shellfish reef colonisation and help increase and improve the populations of native fish. Having recreational fishers participate in the restoration of these important ecosystems, we're really enhancing that long-term stewardship for these areas, and hopefully they'll continue to help support a sustainable recreational fishing industry.